College boni fibro ka notice nagamta ke qualified candidate dengan pulih kedua kena notice list of qualified candidate for a personal interview for the post of equipment technician under Meghalaya Medical Drug and Services Limited MMDSL to be held on 14 August 2024 Kasatri August from 10:30 am onward at the following address: Office of the Meghalaya Medical Drug Services Limited Health Complex, Laitkam, Shillong. Please note, registration is open only from 9:30 to 10:30. Kan sedang registration aduk kendai sidang, aduk shipai sidang, ada pimuan nak kapor, mudba, pilado. Tekini kiba qualified, nam taka personal interview. Ba mutshua, ban risuk, barchang, Bethesda, Haboklang, Daman Krau, Dardi, Davis, George, Himonmi, Robinson, Yatelang, Jennifer, Jolson, Kadbamemon, Larry, Leheni, Loki Bonson, Michael, Mohan, Naki, Nafisabet, Nurul, Pinhunlang, R. Marutu, Reni, Rikrak, Risam, Haunu, Rosalind, Shambestar, Tezrang, Wilbin, William, Pinchai, Khirim, but Wilfred, but Sefer, Marak, shortlisted for personal interview on 14 August 2024. Thank you, College 1.